Firstly, we import the necessary modules from the Three.js library. Three.js is a powerful JavaScript library that allows for easy creation of 3D graphics in the browser. Here we're importing EffectComposer from Three.js's examples. The EffectComposer is an essential part of the post-processing pipeline, allowing us to chain and manage multiple post-processing effects easily. We include RenderPass, which is the first pass in the post-processing pipeline. It renders the scene into a texture for further processing. Next, we import Unreal Bloom Pass, which will give us access to the bloom effect. Bloom creates a glowing light effect on luminous parts of our scene. Shader Pass allows us to apply custom shaders during the post-processing. This is a versatile pass that we can use for a variety of effects. We also import Vignette Shader from Three.js's shader library. This shader creates a vignette effect, darkening the edges of the frame to draw attention to the center. We create a new WebGL renderer, which allows Three.js to draw our scene using the power of WebGL. We then set its size to fill the window and append the renderer's canvas element to the body of the HTML document. A scene in Three.js is like a container that holds all of our 3D objects, lights, and cameras. We create a new instance of it here. A perspective camera is set up, simulating the effect of depth that human eyes perceive. We specify a field of view, aspect ratio, and near and far clipping planes. The camera is positioned along the z-axis to view the scene. Here we define a simple cube geometry and a material that gives the cube a bright green color. We then create a mesh from the geometry and material and add it to our scene. We initiate the EffectComposer with our renderer. This composer will manage our post-processing passes. We add a render pass to our EffectComposer. This pass is responsible for drawing our scene from the perspective of the camera to a render target. We create a new Unreal Bloom Pass with specified parameters to control the intensity and appearance of the bloom effect. Then, we add it to the composer. A shader pass with the vignette shader is created and its offset and darkness properties are adjusted. This pass is also added to the EffectComposer, applying the vignette effect to our rendered scene. Finally, we define an animate function which will create a loop to continually update the cube's rotation and re-render the scene using the post-processing composer. This function is called initially to start the animation loop.